friends, and welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today we're going to be drawing a cupcake. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. All right, we're going to start with the bottom of our cupcake. So it's kind of a nice little curved line at the bottom of your paper. And you can decide how big you want your cupcake drawing to be. I'm going to make mine pretty big, so it's taking up quite a bit of space at the bottom of the paper. Great. Next, we're going to do these two lines that are the sides of our cupcake. And cupcakes usually go out a little bit, so we're going to angle these lines. They're straight lines, but they come out a little bit. They get a little bit wider as they go up. All right, so coming down to meet that corner, and then we'll do kind of a mirrored line on the other side. Great. Great start to your cupcake. Okay, so for that cupcake liner, we're gonna do the top of it, and it's a zigzag line. So in and out, up and down with your zigzags, all right? And zigzag your lines all the way across until you get to the other side. Perfect. Okay, now from each little point, we're going to make a line that goes down to the bottom. And you want those lines to try to stay parallel with these outside lines so that they come down towards the bottom, okay? So I'm going to find every little point, my down points and my up points, and I'm going to make some lines that come down to the bottom of the cupcake liner. Now, if I'm ever going too quickly, you all know you can always, pause the video. That's right, so that you'll catch up. Just press pause. Okay, so each little point, I'm pulling a line down to the bottom. Great job. This is an easy step. And it's a cool step because it adds a lot of depth and realism to our drawing just by throwing in all these vertical lines. The vertical ones, the ones that go straight up and down. Look at that. Now we've got our cupcake liner. Okay, so we're ready for the cake part. All right, so we're gonna do two curved lines that are gonna give us our cake. And so I'm gonna start about here. You decide how kind of thick and fluffy your cupcake is gonna be. Start there, do a curved line there, all right, and then over on this side, do a curved line here. All right, so now what's left? We've just got our icing left to do. Now I did this cupcake like it's got like 3 big dollops of icing on the top, right? That maybe was piped in there. So we're gonna start here with a curved line, and these are kind of like teardrop shapes, right? So I'm doing that. I've got a nice kind of a curved line that's going to be a teardrop shape. And then I'm going to mirror that on the other side. So I'm going to go around and do another curve there. All right, great. We've got our first dollop of icing. Okay, so let's do another one here. And this one kind of runs parallel to this one, but it ends a little shorter. So I'm going to put one little line there. And then make a bigger teardrop that's going out this way and coming around. I went out and I touched the edge of my curved line for the end of my cupcake, and I got my next dollop in there. And then finally, we're going to do the one on the right side. All right, so we'll start with our little line up this way. Okay, and then we'll curve this dollop out to make that line like that. Look at that. Now we've got our cupcake. We've got the liner, we've got the cake, and we've got the icing on top. Great job, friends. How is yours looking? You know, it may not look exactly like mine. That's okay. The important thing is that you're having fun and learning how to draw, right? All right, so what colors should we add? This cupcake definitely needs some color. I've got my colored pencils out, and I've selected some blues for the cupcake liner. I've got this kind of yellowy brownish color for the cupcake itself, and I'm doing the super light pink icing. All right, now I'm going to fast forward through this part, but you can always stop the video at the end if you want to see the colors that I use and try to match them for yourself. All right, and then the icing. Now I picked the super light pink because I want the icing to just be a very light color. All right, now I'm going to come back and add some shadows for those of you who are interested in that. So every time the zigzag goes up, that's kind of an in part, and I'm going to add a little bit of darkness with this darker blue. Now, if you want to add a little bit of shadows to your cupcake itself, you could add, get a brown and just make it a little bit darker right around the edges. Awesome. Now you could add sprinkles. You want to add sprinkles to your cupcake? You could totally add some sprinkles or any other designs, any other kind of candies on top. But friends, I think we are about done with this cupcake. Great job. I would love to see your cupcakes too, so share them with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids and get your picture uploaded into our Shine gallery. Until next time, keep drawing, and remember, it's just lines.